Okay, so welcome. In this video, we'll be setting up our ad, okay? Our WhatsApp ad. We'll be setting it up from scratch, and I'll be showing you how to do that. And remember, the aim is for us to spend as low as 1,000 naira. That is $2 per day, okay? That is the aim of this advert. So you can spend as low as 1,000 naira per day, okay? And make high returns on investment. Okay, now you can decide to scale up. Scaling up your ad has to do with when you see that the ad is profitable and you're spending 1,000 naira per day to get, for example, 5 sales. Now you can decide to scale up to spending maybe 3,000 naira per day, and if you're getting 1,000 naira, that is $2 for 5 sales. Now 3,000 naira, that is about $6. Okay, we'll be giving you maybe between 10 to 15 sales. So once you see that it is profitable, you can now scale up. Okay, scaling up has to do with increasing your daily ad budget. Okay, when your ad is already active and you don't scale up too high. For example, if you are starting with $2, that is 1,000 naira, you don't scale up to 5,000 naira immediately or 10,000. No, it will affect your ad. Okay, instead you scale up gradually. Maybe for the first 1 week or 2 weeks, you can scale up to $6. Maybe that is 3,000 naira. Okay, now after the next 1 week, you can increase it. Okay, you keep increasing it. So that is that for scaling up. Now also, I want you to understand that you have to use your WhatsApp business. Why must it be WhatsApp business? It must be WhatsApp business because Facebook, the kind of Facebook ad campaign we are using, only works with WhatsApp business. It does not work with the other WhatsApp app. Okay, it only works with WhatsApp business. Facebook built it in a way that it is only WhatsApp business that it works with. Okay, so then another thing you must understand is that if you want to run ad, now if you are using a prepaid ad account, ad account is an ad account that you have to pay before you start running your ad. Why postpaid? You don't have to pay. You pay after your ad is done. Okay, now you have to fund your account, and to do that, you come quickly to your settings icon. Okay, wherever you will find it on your phone, you come quickly to your settings icon. You go to payments. Okay, you go to payments. Now you will see here, because I'm using a postpaid ad account, if I'm owing, the balance will be here and you will see pay now. Okay, but if you are using a prepaid ad account, you will see something like add money. Okay, add fund, something like that. Then you click on it and you add money into your ad account so that you can start running your ads. Okay, so that is that for that. So now to start your ad, you click on this plus icon on your phone. Wherever you see it on your phone, you click on it because the interface may not be the same. Now when you click on this plus icon, you select your Facebook page. Okay, you select your Facebook page, and remember, you must have linked your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business. Okay, and you must have as well linked your Facebook page to your Instagram, and your Instagram to your WhatsApp business. Okay, because from here you can run ad to show both on Instagram and on Facebook at the same time, or you can even do it only on Facebook or only on Instagram from this ad ad manager app. Okay, so now you select the page. Now the page we created earlier, there was a page we created, I think is smartphone digitalpreneur fans. Okay, Now, if I want to run ad with this page, I have to select it, but I'm not running ad with this page. I am running with my business page, that is David Chinaza Coaching and Consult. So this is it. Okay, now you now select messages. It says get more people to message you in Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Okay, you select messages. Okay, then it will load to the next point. Now the next point shows you the picture. This is where you have to select the image you want to use for your ad. Okay, if you want to use a single image, you can see here below here, you see something like format single image. Okay, if you want to, oh sorry, let's go back to where we were. Okay, now if you want to, if you tap on that single image, you can decide to select a post. Okay, an existing post from your Facebook page, or you can decide to select a carousel ad is kind of ad that has a slideshow. Okay, or you can decide to use a video for that. Now if you posted a video and your ad message on your Facebook, okay, or you posted a picture and your ad message, ad sales message on your Facebook, you can use posts. Okay, here you have to select the post you want to use. Okay, now you can see this is my post. I can decide to select this particular post for my ad. Okay, you see all the posts on your Facebook page. Okay, now if you don't want to do that, you want to if you are okay with the post, you click on this arrow showing next, or you want to create a single post from scratch. You want to create your own posts. You don't want to use the one that is on your page. Now if you are using picture, you select single image. If you are using a video, you select create an ad with one video. Okay, so with this single image I selected, okay, it means I'm not using a post from my page. Now I will click on camera roll. When you click on this camera roll, it will take you to your phone gallery. It will show you images on your phone gallery. Okay, now you can now select the particular image you want to use. So let me get an image. Okay, this is the one I want to use for this ad. Okay, all right, so now click on next. Okay, here says select image. Okay, click on done. Okay, so I've selected the image again and I selected square. Now you can see the image is appearing here. Okay, so now they'll ask you message destination. You tap only WhatsApp. This is where our message destination will go to. Okay, message destination is only WhatsApp. Right, now this is your Instagram. If you want the ad to show on Instagram, okay, you allow this checkbox. If you don't want it, you tap it so that the box will not be checked again. Okay, now this is a preview of how your ad will look like. Okay, now your ad headline. Okay, your ad headline is also important for your advert. So now remember, I am trying to advertise an ad course here, so I will put something like something like finally reviewed, finally reviewed. Then how to run ad with just 1K. Okay, now if I am targeting a country, that is not my country, okay, I know that 1K will not be the same thing there. 1K, if I'm targeting, for example, somebody in US, when I put 1K, 1K means 1,000 US dollars. So, but since I know that this 1K means $2, so if I'm targeting any other country, if I'm advertising this course to any other country, which some of you watching this course, you are not just Nigerians only. Okay, now it's either I will do the calculation, I will do the conversion of 1K to your currency, or I will just use a general currency, something like $2. Okay, which I know that it is now left for you to know the exchange rate and do it yourself. Okay, so now I will leave it at 1K. Okay, now I will now add my primary text. Your primary text now has to do with your ad copy. Okay, your ad text about the product or service you're advertising. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, so now I have already copied it from my notepad. This is my ad text. Okay, this is my ad text. All right, so you will be asked if this is a special category ad. Special category ads are ads that involve politics, credit, involvement, housing, social issues. If it is not, just leave it unchecked. If it is, you have to check it. Now you can see a preview of the ad. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do is your message template. Now, when people click on that WhatsApp button or your WhatsApp link, okay. Now, for example, let me show you. In this my ad, this my ad, this my ad copy. Okay, I placed an online payment link here. Now, if you don't want to use, if you know that your services or your products, people may not just pay immediately. They will contact you. Okay, they will contact you to find out more before they pay. Okay, like my own, some persons might decide to just pay and now contact me. But if they may not really have to pay, they will have to contact you first. Now, this place I added my my online payment link. You can just add your you can just add your WhatsApp link. Okay, you add your WhatsApp link. That's shortened message that you created. Okay, you can add it here, or even if you don't add it, your ad automatically carries a WhatsApp, a button, a an action button, call to action button, that once they click on it, it will direct them to your WhatsApp. Now here it says message template. Now when somebody clicks on your WhatsApp, when somebody clicks on that call to action button, okay, when somebody clicks on it, what message do you want to be your default message? Now you can edit it here. You can edit your default message. Okay, you can edit your default message uh to hello, to good day. I saw something like this. I saw your ad and I am interested. I want to pay. Okay, my name is you can now put something like add your name here, so that they will know that they have to add your name here. Okay, that is it. So now frequently asked questions, I don't need it for this. Oh, sorry, I don't need the frequently asked questions. Okay, I don't need the frequently asked questions. I've already created a frequently asked question. Okay, I don't need to add more here. I will either add it as a post, as a post on my page, or I will add it as a comment on the post on my page, on the sales post on my page, or I will add it on my online payment page link. Okay, where I am writing about the description of the product they want to pay for online, I'll add it there. So, but for now, I don't need this frequently asked question. But if you want it, you can tick this box. Okay, tick this icon. Oh, okay. Then you can now you can now add your questions. Okay, question 1, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 questions. They give you provision for just 3 questions. You can put a question and answer, okay. But for now, I don't need it. I already have mine. Okay, so I'll just tap it once. Sorry. Okay, so this is this. I have set my message template. Now, once people click on my ad, that this is the default message that they will send to me. Okay, now if you now have an autoresponder, all you need to do is to set up this same message that you used for your ad. You set it up with your autoresponder. Okay, you set it up with your autoresponder, so that once they send it, the autoresponder will automatically reply them with maybe a detail of what they are asking for. Okay, so here it says, good day, I saw your ad. So this is it. Let me copy it. Okay, so back. Okay, so now the next thing we see here is placement. Do you want your ad to run automatic or manual? Okay, when you tap manual, here, you can now decide if your ad will run on Facebook, Instagram, audience network, or messenger. Okay, so because this is a WhatsApp ad, make sure you choose manual and you choose mobile. Okay, mobile, because many people don't use WhatsApp on their computer. Okay, so you have to choose mobile, so that it means that this ad will show to people who are online with their phone, and as soon as they click on it, it will take them to their WhatsApp and the message will be sent. Okay, now here, if you want to show the ad on Facebook only, then you have to uncheck all the Telegram boxes here. Okay, you uncheck all the audience network boxes, you uncheck all the messenger boxes, but I will allow it, because what it means is that I want my ad to show on any to show to anyone who is on Facebook with their mobile phone, anyone who is on Instagram with their mobile phone, anyone who is on Messenger with their mobile phone, and anyone who is on any of Facebook audience network with their mobile phone. So as soon as my ad shows and they click on it, it will lead them to my WhatsApp. Okay, so you click on this good icon. Okay, Now that for that. Now, if you have your Instagram linked to your Facebook page, it will appear here. But even if you don't link your Instagram to your Facebook page, you can still run ad on Instagram from here. Okay, so this is we have set up this. Okay, now you click on next. You can click on preview all to preview your ad, but I'm fine with it. You click on next. Okay, now this is where you now define your audience. This is where it gets more interesting. You can tell Facebook, I want people from this age to this age. I want people with so and so interest. I want people who do this. I want people who do that. I want mothers to see my ad. I want people interested in engineer. I want people interested in marketing alone. I want people interested in sports. So this is where you define your audience. Okay, you define your audience here. So at this point, you have to create your audience. I'll be creating a new audience. Now remember, in the COMT formula, I told you about audience, customer. You need to know your customer, who your customers are as a business owner, who needs your product. Okay, now also in the bonus section, I will hand over to you a checklist that if you can answer those questions, you can be able to define, it can help you to define your customers. Okay, so now location, you can give a name to this customer. Okay, to this to your ad audience. Okay, you can give it a name. I can say this is WhatsApp ad audience. Okay, so now anybody, any kind of category or interest or the things I defined here will be the kind of people Facebook will show this ad to. Okay, so your location, you can choose your location. I will use only this time. I'll choose my location. I can edit it here. You can search for location. You can search for United States. United States. United States. Okay. United States, for example. Okay, you can select it. You can even define a country or a particular state. Okay, let's say Dallas. Okay, Dallas, Texas. Can you see? If this is Ghana, you can define it. Any country you are targeting, okay, you can define it here. All right, Ghana, you can see it. Now you can even define locations. For example, if I want to target Lagos, okay, Lagos, Nigeria, that is it. If I want to target Lekki, people living in Lekki in Lagos, okay, Lekki, can you see it? If I want to target people living in Gaki in Abuja, can you see it? So it's a city, so you can even target cities and states. So now this is Nigeria. I'll be targeting Nigeria. Now the age, I want to target from 23 for my ad, 23 to 50. Okay, gender all. Okay, gender all. Okay, if you want it to be male alone, you can put it male and women. Okay, now detailed targeting. Here you now click people, include people who match this. Now this is where you now define the kind of people you want. You can see now here I'll be defining the kind of people I want to see my ad. The people I already know the kind of people my ad is meant for. Okay, so I'll be putting business. I need business owners. Okay, so anybody interested in business, I will put it. Can you see? I will select business products. They will also give you suggestions. I will select a small business. I will select small business owner. I will select business page admin. Okay. Another let me look for home business. People who are into home business. See it here. Okay. You can type some keyword while they complete it, or you type it in full. I'll select home business. Okay. Now the next kind of people I want to select is entrepreneurs. Okay, small and medium enterprise. Okay, is okay. I will select it. You can see there is energy drink here, but I don't need that. Entrepreneurship. I would rather go for entrepreneur. Let me see if I have it. Entrepreneur. Okay. See what we have here. Female entrepreneur. So I would rather go for entrepreneurship. Okay. So this is me because I know the kind of people I'm targeting. Now, solo proprietorship. Okay. I will select these two. Now, I will want to select page admin. Facebook page admin. Okay. I want to do this. I want to do new page admin. Okay. Community health and beauty page admin. I think I need that. These are okay, because these people are likely to be selling products. Travel and tour page admin. Okay. Community and club page admins. Okay. Yeah, because we're needing this. Retail page admins. Okay, I will need it. Food. Let me just select all page admins. Okay. So this is me defining my audience. Okay. I think I'll be needing digital marketers too to see my ad. Digital marketing. Can you see it here? I'll select it. Now I'll be needing what's it called? Online marketing. Okay, look at, see online marketplace. I'll select it. Online advertising is okay. Okay, let me add marketing to see if I will see anything like marketing. Okay, online marketing. The audience is too small. Okay. Let me check affiliate marketing. Okay. All right, fine. I need people who are into this too because they are digitalpreneurs. Facebook. Let me look for Facebook. Okay. Let me select Facebook. This is me defining my audience. Now, before I started running or setting up this ad, I already know my audience. Okay. Let me search for Instagram. Okay. Let me check Messenger too. Facebook Messenger. Okay. Let me search for WhatsApp. Okay. Let me search for Meta business. People into Meta business. That is Facebook business. Can you see that? Meta for business. Okay, there is quite a small audience. Okay, let me search for Facebook business. This is me defining my audience. Facebook business. Okay, fine. Okay. I'll select it. Now, let me also look for people who use Facebook app. Facebook Let me see if I will find it up. Okay. Okay. No, let me just leave it for that. Let me leave it at this. Okay. Now, once I'm done defining my audience, I'll click on this good icon here. All right. So this is my audience, you can see. So these are the people that will be seeing my ad. So if you fall within this category of persons, they will see your ad. Okay. Now, the next thing we'll do is we have defined our audience. Okay. If you want to narrow it down, you want to exclude some people, you don't want some kind of people to see your ad at all, you can use this option to exclude them. Okay. So I will click on this good icon here. All right. Okay. So you can see that my WhatsApp ad audience have been selected. Now the next thing is to make my payment and set up my budget. I will click on next. Okay. Now here you want to spend a daily, if you want to use a daily campaign or lifetime campaign. Okay. So this is daily. I normally use it on daily. Okay. So this is run ad continuously. No, I will uncheck it. I want to put the number of days. I want my ad to run 7 days. Okay, 7 days. So it means that, hold on, it means that each day I'll be spending 995 naira. This is just a 5 naira difference. Or if you want, you can just complete it 1000 naira. 1000 naira is $2. Okay, if you want, you can complete it. So each day I'll be spending 1000 naira. Okay, and I'll be running it for 7 days. Now you can decide to, even after the 7th day, you can decide to continue running your ad by extending the days. Okay, now I want you to understand that most times or sometimes when you start running your ad on Facebook, it might look as if it's not productive. Okay, maybe at times, sometimes the first 3 days, the first 7 days, okay, it looks as if the first 3 days, 5 days, but maybe after the 7th day, after 1 week of your ad, you now start seeing that people are responding. But one of the things that will help your ad to start getting prospects is your offer. Okay, when you have a good offer, have a good message, and set up your traffic rightly, which I'm just showing you, your ad will definitely be profitable. Okay, now if you want to get lead, okay, lead means contacts. You can as well use this strategy. Okay, this is not just for making sales. You can use this strategy to get leads. All you need to do is to have your lead magnet. Okay, now when they come to your WhatsApp, they will get your lead magnet after they must have saved your contact or your ethical bribe. Lead magnet can be called ethical bribe too. Okay, so that is that for that. But me, I am running an ad for sales. Okay, so even if you're running ad for lead contacts, you can as well use this method. Okay, so now we have set up our ad, and this is 1000 naira per day. That is $2 per day, and it's running for 7 days. Okay, and daily. Okay, so here says, so I'll be spending 7,000 naira. 7,000 naira should be about 7,000 naira. $2 for $1. Okay, $2 for $1. Sorry, $2 for 1,000 naira. That is, I'll be spending about $14 dollars. Okay, it should be around $14. I hope I'm correct. So hope I'm correct. Yes. So now, this is that for that. All right. So the next thing, once you are okay, the next thing to do is to click on this good icon here. Okay. Now, at this point, you have to review your ad before you place the order. Okay. Now remember that you must have funded your account if you're using a prepaid account, and if you're using a postpaid account, your ad will start running after you click place order. Facebook will have to review your ad and approve it. Okay. So this is how my ad will look like. Okay. This is how my ad will look like. So I have to review it, and if I'm okay with it, this is how my ad will look like. Ad preview. On mobile feed, this is how it will look like. I have network. Okay. Now you see send WhatsApp message. Okay, so this is how my ad will look like. This will have a CTA. Okay, a CTA icon that says WhatsApp. Okay, once they tap on it, it takes them to your WhatsApp. All right, so my ad is okay, it's good to go. Okay, now as you can see here, Instagram story is giving me an error message, but that's not a problem. Okay, because I allowed my ad to show on every platform. So because Instagram story, some platforms have a certain image size and criteria. So what Facebook does is that if you set it up for them to show on all platforms, they will use their hand to automatically either make it to show on the ones that fit your ad, or they will shrink your ad to fit into other platforms. For example, you can see that Instagram story is giving me, it says ad caption is too long, meaning that Instagram story does not use long ad caption. Okay, but that's not my problem. Here it says a messenger story support provided CTA type, that is WhatsApp messenger type, but that's not a problem. Okay, but that's not a problem. The ad might show on messenger story or it might not show, but as long as it's showing on Facebook feed and Instagram, okay, that is fine and good. So this is fine by me. Okay, this is fine by me. Now you can see that you can review your ad again. Your placement is where you want your ad to show. Okay, now since I've seen that my ad is not compatible with Instagram story, I can click on Instagram here and uncheck this Instagram story box. Okay, and since they are saying it's not compatible with my messenger story, I can uncheck the messenger story. But for now, I am not doing that. I just want it to not stop my ad from running. Okay, so you can review your ad before you place order. You review your ad once again before you place an order. Okay, so at this point I am good to go, and I will click on place order. Okay, what am I seeing here? Okay, let me go back. Let me go back and place order. Oh, fine. Can you see the ad is loading now? I had some network glitches, so it's loading. So once you place order, it says, do you want to duplicate? I'll click on not now. So once you click on place order, the ad will load, and you will be asked to accept their terms and conditions, and you will do that. Okay, so you can see that my ad has been scheduled. So it will go for review, and once the ad is being reviewed and approved, you will see your ad running on Facebook and on Instagram. So this is how to set up your ad using ad manager for your. This is how to set up your WhatsApp ad using ad manager, and spending as low as $2, that is 1,000 naira daily. So if there's any question, you can ask in the support group, and myself and my team will be there to give you answers. Okay, thank you, and see you on the other side.